on Supreme Master Television, your positive TV channel.
Fly-in News. Around the world, book lovers celebrate as The Birds in My Life by Supreme Master Ching Hai continues to rank #1. That's #1 international bestseller for the English version of the general category of all books at Amazon.com. With over 10 million books, Amazon.com is the world's largest online bookstore. The Chinese version of The Dogs in My Life is also #1 bestseller on kingstone.com.tw, a major international online bookstore in Formosa. On other international book lists, Supreme Master Ching Hai's 2 books are topping the charts as well. The Birds in My Life and The Dogs in My Life draw readers of all cultural backgrounds and ages to the inner world of our intelligent and lovingly sensitive animal friends. In simple, lively and even poetic captions paired with candid photographs, Supreme Master Ching Hai shares with readers the touching stories and personalities of each of her beautiful furry and feathered companions to help readers better appreciate their true wondrous nature. And that's what seems to appeal the most to readers who shared their comments with Supreme Master Television.
I'm really excited about this book, Birds in My Life, written by Supreme Master Ching Hai. And it not only speaks to basic animal rights, but the love and compassion between both animal and human. You know, there's been a lot of discussion as to whether animals should receive a basic Bill of Rights. Maybe it was said because they appear to not have emotions, to love, to fear, to express anger. But I also believe that just as God blew into Adam of himself, as written in the book of the Bible, and Adam became a living soul, so has God also blew into the lungs of each and every living animal on this earth. And so that animal has also the love and compassion that God has as well. As displayed and as written in this book, I say kudos to Supreme Master Ching Hai. Well done.
કેમ છો? મારી નામ રીતા છે ને આ બર્ડ્સ ઇન માય લાઈફ ચોપડી ચકલી ને પોપટ ને વાતા છે ને આ ચકલી ને પોપટ ને છે ને એ લોકો ઝાડમાં એકબીજા હાથે વાત કરે છે, એ લોકો ગીત ગાય છે ને મારું પસંદ છે તે મુન્ની છે, એ મારું પસંદ છે ને બધી પાનામાં બહુ સરસ પિક્ચર પાડેલા છે.
Yo he disfrutado cada una de las páginas de este libro. En realidad ha sido mi pasaporte a un mundo tan desconocido por mí, del que yo sabía muy, muy poco. Cada página ilustrada con tantos colores tiene una nota que destaca cada una de las características de estos animales. En realidad me ha hecho sentirme muy familiar y llenarme de sensibilidad y respeto hacia ellos. Se los recomiendo.
For more inspiring readers' reviews of Supreme Master Ching Hai's 2 books, The Dogs in My Life and The Birds in My Life, please visit Amazon.com. Supreme Master Ching Hai's touching books are now available at 400 major bookstores in Formosa and online worldwide at www.amazon.com. Thank you, Supreme Master Ching Hai. Your books are gifts that awaken our compassion and renew our joy in the companionship of animals. May we all appreciate and respect the sentience and loving hearts of all our co-inhabitants. To celebrate this good news, we've extended a warm invitation to the author, Supreme Master Ching Hai, for a discussion of her books via a live broadcast on Supreme Master Television's global launch date on Friday, November 16th, 2007 at 3 p.m. GMT, 4 p.m. Central European Time. Be sure to tune in for this exciting event. And this is a personal message from Supreme Master Ching Hai. I would like to thank all involved in making the books beloved by the public. And thank you, all the wonderful readers, for your kind comments on the books, The Birds in My Life and The Dogs in My Life. May the Providence bestow blessing and grace to you all. All the loving animals send you their utmost gratitude and love.